All right. I want to welcome everybody to the 157th Ripley Huron Fall Fair. And of course, you guys have enjoyed a lot of the virtual videos up until now. But right now, we are actually downtown Ripley, where all roads lead to Ripley. And we're seeing the first part of the rolling car show here in downtown Ripley. And it is Maddie Gallant making her way through downtown Ripley right now. Maddie, hello. And of course, Maddie, the ambassador this year, which is fantastic to see a lot of people out and about as well. So, hey, it's Ryan Berry, your host for today. I want to remind everybody that you can catch this recording of the rolling car and tractor show again on Rogers. You can catch the replay. I want to thank Rogers and Matt Smith for coming out and making that possible for us today. Well, we're live on Facebook right now. There's Miranda Claver, a part of the rolling car show today. Did you see the horns on that car? Holy jumping, that was cool. That reminded me of Boss Hogg from Smokey and the Bandit. Remember that? I'm showing my age now. Showing my age. I want to thank everybody for their participation as well throughout the 157th Fall Fair. I know it's been a little bit different for everybody due to the COVID situation, but responses were good with the virtual fair, let me tell you. Attendance was good and some good feedback, which is fantastic as well. So we are live on Facebook right now. Here comes a nice, beautiful tractor. Look at this classic one here. That's Allison Pepper, Queen of the Pearl. All roads lead to Ripley. We're here at the four-way stop, the corner of Huron and Queen. If you're seeing this now, you got time to come on out and see some of the rolling car and tractor show. Nice to see a lot of people out and about practicing safe distancing as well. Of course, that's a part of the rules, so everybody's playing by the rules here today. It's good to see Tom Church out there as well. Tom and his dog Blue, one of my favorite dogs around town. Participation for the rolling car show, actually a big long list of participants. Actually pretty impressed, so I want to thank everybody that hopped into the rolling car and antique tractor show at the last minute. It looks like we're almost at 60 different vehicles participating in the rolling car show today, which is pretty awesome. All right. Here we come now, the Bruce Shrine Club. What would a parade / rolling car show be without them? Of course, you typically would see the Shrine Club with their little mini motorbikes and driving around in circles. And they usually have music as well, but there they are participating nonetheless, which is fantastic. The Bruce Shrine Club just making their way by there. There's a nice old John Deere there. Here comes another classic John Deere tractor through here. The Shriners Hospitals for Children. Thank you, big wave to that guy there, yep. Fantastic. Here come some of the classic cars you're going to see in today's rolling car show. Shriners. Bruce Trail Riders. That one is a 1951 Oliver making its way through the four-way stop here downtown Ripley now. More tractors for you today. That one, 1965 Massey Ferguson. Big name in the tractor world. I want to thank everybody for tuning in and participating today. It's a beautiful day to be outside here, downtown Ripley. So McCormick making his way through. This contraption here, I'm not entirely sure what this thing is. Look at that.
Does that guy go down on his lawnmower?
Business in the front, party in the back. Look at that action. Wouldn't mind cutting my lawn with that thing every day. Make it fun. Heck, I might even be able to get my kids to cut the lawn if I had that one. Streaming live on Facebook. And the Rolling Car Show. More action coming down the road now. A lot of people to thank, of course, all the volunteers and the Ripley Agricultural Society, everybody that helps put this kind of stuff on. Of course, like I said before, this year a little bit different with the virtual fall fair due to the COVID situation, but this way you get to watch these kinds of things from the comfort of your own home. I want to thank Julie Thompson for all her hard work on the virtual fair this year. Everybody else that was involved, all the volunteers, of course, making this stuff possible. But we've got a live show for you right now. This is happening downtown Ripley, and we got dancing tractors on their way now. Dancing tractors. They're doing the tango. It takes two to tango, they say, and that's what they're doing. They're making their way through Ripley, strutting their stuff. They might do some loops here. Yeah, here we go. Nice. Dancing tractors. Look at that action. That was Team Farm All in Teeswater, Ontario. Pretty cool. Some dancing tractors. Look at that. Corvette seems to be popular amongst the kids. Some more classic cars rolling through in the Ripley Rolling Car and Tractor Show here, the 157th Ripley Fall Fair. Oh, some classic cars coming through here now. I'd trade my Pontiac Vibe with the winter tires on it for any of these cars straight up. I'm not sure they would go for it, but I just saying I would do it. Great participation level here today. Like I said, up to almost 60 participants. Big long list of people coming through now. Steve Funston there with his classic Mustang. Oh. Thanks for the volunteers here today directing the traffic. A busy spot here on the corner of Queen and Huron in downtown. 1952 Fargo making his way through here. Some more classic trucks. Beautiful.